Can the courts give me back my clearance? Hi, this is Lindy Kaiser with clearancejobs.com. A lot of the chatter around security clearances coming out of the White House has largely died down, at least in the hot press. We had another recent headline. A prominent security clearance attorney, he has represented a number of whistleblowers across the DC metro, had his security clearance revoked by executive order. That came out of the Trump administration. Again, we had several instances of these by name revocations of security clearance eligibility or access to classified information. Those were protested in court. This is one example of that. And again, according to the court has said, hey, we're giving this individual's eligibility back. Read some of the news report chatter. This is all hearsay. Again, to use a legal term in common language. This is all hearsay. My take on it, again, what I've read from news reports. I have not talked to the key sources myself, but again, what the news reports are saying, again, the court has said this. The attorney has also said that, hey, that executive order expired or already had his access back. That is confusing language to me. All of this to say how it comes up in my world as I work a lot with security clearance applicants, folks new to the clearance process, or folks who might work in the national security workforce. So seeing headlines like this, you might be wondering, hey, if I lose my security clearance or if I want to get a clearance, can the courts help me out? By and large, no. We've talked about this a lot over at clearancejobs.com. Security clearances are the purview of the executive branch. This has been upheld since a Supreme Court case from 1984. What I have speculated over the past year or so is that again, all of these, all of these legal proceedings are likely to potentially draw some court cases that could go back to the Supreme Court. Whether or not they will hear those, who knows? But we're going to continue to see this pushback against what has largely been said, hey, this is executive authority coming out of the president's national security oversight and purview to say, hey, they have control over the security clearance process. Security clearances policies are born out of executive order. The president does have carte blanche to give and taketh away security clearance eligibility. Doing so by name and not tied to the adjudicative guidelines or without due process is an unprecedented shift. If you are the average applicant, the court that you care about is the Defense Office of Hearings of Appeals or your individual appeal board. That is not a traditional court of law. Again, this is a government supported entity where you can put that appeal. So you do have those due process rights. You do have the right to legal counsel to come help you in that clearance, potential revocation or suspension process. But what you don't have is, again, what we see here is typically taking your court case to a judicial branch court for them to weigh in. Again, we have folks who are doing that right now because of these other issues that we've seen. Certainly, again, we could see some pushback on what have been, 30, 40 years of precedence when it comes to the overview and oversight of the security clearance process out of the executive branch and not the judicial branch. So anytime I see this chatter about, hey, the courts have decided X, Y, Z on security clearance process, I'm expecting that to get executive branch oversight back over it, saying, hey, push back, hey, we're in this, and this is our determination to make, again, and up until it gets to the point of having a higher court or Supreme Court case that could change the precedent there. But until we get to that point, I'm expecting a rolling back and forth, or again, except in this case, again, the executive branch certainly has the right to go through as they're revoking clearances by name to go back through and give those people due process rights, which is what we typically see, which again would create a scenario where those folks are getting their eligibility or access back, which certainly could be the case. Clear as mud. Welcome to the Pirates Code of Clearance Policy. You can read more, learn more, and get all of the details that are too nuanced to put in a short little YouTube clip. Check us out over at clearancejobs.com for all of that. Thanks so much.